Welcome back to another video. Today we got a 4-day sale. It says huge free and 4-day sale, Friday, January 17th through Monday, January 20th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more touristic deals. Yeah, and plus we do have a 30% off coupon. So we'll show you guys the coupon. As a matter of fact, let's start with the coupon. All right, we got the coupon here. It says Harbor Freight Tools, quality low prices. See our 2-page insert for more coupons. So this is from an ad. We got 30% off anytime, any item under $10, limit 5. It says valid now through 1/19/20. So just this weekend. And we got coupon code 6071935100002. So you guys need this coupon. Just take a screenshot on the computer, a picture on the computer or the phone, a screenshot on the phone, and show it at the cashier. It says limit 5. So you can go pretty much Saturday, Sunday basically. Let's see here. I do have on the website. I typed it in. As you guys see here, it says coupon code 607-1335-100002 was applied. That is a coupon code, and it says save 0.37 cents. And then this one you save $2. You save $2.37, as you guys see here. So yeah, definitely a great price, guys. A great deal here for this 30% off coupon. You guys could get anything pretty much under $10. You know, like towels, paper towels, all kinds of stuff. All right. And let's go back to the coupons here, to the email. All right, we got a 4-day sale. It says 20% off. So you can use this on top of the other one, just depending on what you're going to be buying. But yeah, here's another 20% off. You can just pretty much stack it up. Not really stack it up on top of the same item, but you can use it on this on a different item. And the coupon code's right there. It says valid through Monday, January 20th. Remember, the other one is only valid through the 19th, so it's Sunday. You got swivel lens free, headlamp free. Yeah, my guess, I would definitely go and get these free items, guys. Especially this headlamp and these towels, because we don't see these anymore. This headlamp is really nice. I mean, it's not the highest quality ever, but it does work. It does give you a little option there, a little sight to see at night if you're working out there. Yep. So you got a free 1x25 quick find tape measure. So nice tape measures. Microfiber cleaning cloths, pack of 4. I use these to wash my vehicle all the time. As a matter of fact, I just used them today. You got the 7-amp electronic pole saw. $59.99. This is definitely a great deal, guys. Recommend this. I do have this. Feel free to watch it on my channel. Just put electric pole saw, tool header 147. My video. I used to have this, guys. This is an awesome, great miter saw. I do have a video of it too. But yeah, I used to have this. The only the reason why I sold it is because I wanted to upgrade to the Admiral. You get the 9,000 watt starting extra long life. Gas powered generator, $5.99. You get the 9mm powder free nitrile gloves, under $10. Definitely some great gloves for the DIY, for the mechanic. If you're doing brake jobs, oil changes, all kinds of work in the vehicle. 4-channel wireless surveillance system, $199.99. You got a 1-ton capacity Photoshop crane, $149. You get 11 feet by 18 feet reflective heavy duty tarp, $18.99. You got the rapid punt 3-ton steel professional low profile long reach floor jacks, $169. Definitely a great deal on that. You got a swivel mount. Any mount that you buy from Harbor Freight is a great mount. These are solid steel, $9.99. 20-ounce HBOP, $9.99. These are pretty much cheap and they work. So got a 2.5 horsepower 10-inch tiles brick saw, $239.99. Got a 1 gallon 1.5 135 ultra quiet free professional air compressor, $109. This is definitely a great deal there on that small compressor. This is, remember guys, this is for nail guns, for brad nailers and finish nails. You got a 20-volt lithium coreless hammer drill kit, $64.99. You got a 3-piece hex shank socket driver set, $2.99. Got a 100-watt solar panel kit, $149.99. If you guys haven't seen my videos for the solar panel system that I have in my house, just put solar system toolhead 147 on the search section of YouTube. You can find all my videos. 12-volt LED trailer light kit, $29.99. Half-inch electric impact wrench, $39.99. And then you have the 26x22. It's a little expensive, but we've seen it for a lot lower than that. You got a 5-inch heavy-duty random orbital sander, $24.99. 8-inch 5-speed bench-top drill press, $54.99. 3/8x14 towing chain, $19.99. Got a 60-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet and dry vacuum, $44.99. Yeah, once you get to 4 horsepower and higher, these are very powerful. You got solid rubber wheel chuck, $4.99. Got a 20% off any heater. You got a multi-purpose workbench with light outlets, $69.99. You got a ball joint service kit with 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive vehicles, $59.99. You got the 18-volt 3/8 cordless drill driver with keyless chuck. This is from Drill Master, $16.99. Guys, this is a really basic drill. If you need a drill for the apartment, you know, drilling just a small hole, putting a screw in, that's it. Nothing else. Other than that, I would definitely upgrade to at least the Bauer, the Hercules, or another brand. 4-piece anti-fatigue foam mat set, $6.99. These are great, guys. I use them all the time. Haven't broken one yet. They're not the strongest though. I wouldn't put an impact on this thing. You know, these break the price. You know, they are really low cost on that. Great value. Got a 12-inch tool bag with 21 pockets, $4.99. 4-in-1 convertible hand truck, $119.99. I would definitely stay away from these. These come apart, that you lose them, all kinds of stuff. 12 volts LED magnetic towing kits, $22.99. Guys, this is a great breaker bar. I definitely recommend this. 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch, $14.99. This I haven't. You know what? I do have some tape from Harbor Freight. I used it. Haven't had any problems with it, so it works. $4.99 will get you a pack of 10. Got an MIG Flex Welding Card, $29.99. Got a 20-piece air compressor starter kit, $9.99. 40-inch working platform, $35.99. And then this is definitely a great deal, guys. It's really low cost here, $9.99. It's the 25 feet. It's the shortest one. Still, it works for $10, and you got the rubber air hose. So this is a heavy duty hose here. Got an electric chainsaw sharpener, $24.99. I haven't used any this chainsaw sharpener. I do have one that I bought from Amazon. Works really good. I will be coming out with that video, so stay tuned for that. 15-amp professional breaker hammer kit, $599.99 from Hercules. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and enjoy all those coupons, all those sales. This is the time to save. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.